Well, thank you for coming to our Juneteenth Carnival. This is the second year, and we're dedicating it to the memory of the person who was the chairman last year, Thabiti Ngozi, who passed away this past year, and we miss him a lot. He was a wonderful artist, and he was the president of the Brazos Valley Festival of African Arts, and we've known him for years. But we're so grateful that the African American Museum is here, and the Children's Museum is here, and the Better Living for Texans is here, and now I'm going to introduce to you Councilman Madison and Councilman Cortez. We are so honored that they're here, and they're going to speak a few words while you're doing your art projects. And all the projects represent something in African art.
Miguel, open the lid.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. We're very excited to be here to be with you this morning. It's an honor to be here to have a conversation and remember of Thabiti Ngozi and what his vision was for this community, especially the African art. We're going to celebrate the Juneteenth, or the 19th of June, which will be coming up this Saturday. We'll have a parade on Martin Luther King Street, and Juneteenth is all about the information telling the people that the Emancipation Proclamation had been signed, and the Emancipation Proclamation was signed 2 years earlier, but that information didn't arrive in Texas until June 19, 1865. So that's why we celebrate Juneteenth.